So, hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, mag-unboxing po tayo ng vacuum cleaner from Eureka Power Speed. So, guys, na-order namin ito sa Amazon. At kahapon, guys, mayroon talaga silang one sale. Kitty Pie, right? Sa Prime. Yeah. So, ang laki ng discount, guys. Kaya, hindi na namin to pinakawalan. Actually, marami kaming in-order. So, mag-Amazon haul tayo. Pero ito ang unang dumating. Kaya, ito ang una nating i-unboxing. So, marami talaga kaming na-order, guys. Gawa ng ang laki talaga ng discount namin. Yes. That's only good for one day for Amazon. For only Prime holder, right? Oh, so, yesterday pala is the last day. So, we have a lucky one. So guys, ito talaga ang matagal ko nang nire-request din ni Kitty Pie, ang magkaroon ng vacuum dito sa bahay. Gawa ng mahirap talaga mag-ano guys, maglinis, no? So ito lahat guys, no? Mag-vacuum na tayo dito. Oops.
Oh my God.
We do it this slowly. After Kitty Pie will kick me. Oh my God. So we got 40% discount for this, right, Kitty Pie? 40? See guys, this is the one. The Eureka vacuum cleaner. See? So, yan muna guys. After, mayroon din akong ipapakita na iba namin na i-unboxing. Kasi nga, marami kaming na-order. So, ito yun guys. Diba ang ganda? So, itatry na natin to ngayon. Power Speed. Oh, Kitty Pie. So, yan na guys. Ginagamit na ni Kitty Pie. Marami siyang option. Pwede sa window, pwede sa ceiling. Yes. So, ito guys, na-order din namin to sa Amazon. Ito yung Pure Hands Himalaya namin. So, di ba 6 pieces guys. Ang laki ng discount namin. And of course, my Jeff cleaner in my toilet and in our kitchen. And my hand lotion, Nevia. And before anything else, what it is guys, my new watch from Tommy Hilfiger. Hilfiger or Hilfiger? How to pronounce this one? Tommy Hilfiger. Yes. So I have na Michael Kors and Coach and of course oh, diba guys? Ito try ng ganda. Actually guys, ito sana ang order ni Kitty Pie before yung Coach. Kasi gusto niya yung design sa Tommy. Pero na-try ko, gusto ko talaga yung Coach kasi nga mas mahal yun. Ito, na-order na namin to natin. Pero hindi pa to naka-sale guys, the same price pa din. O diba? O diba? Oh God. No, different siya sa design sa ano ko, sa Coach. Totally different design. Wow. Parang no need na i-adjust Kitty Pie. I think he know my what's this. You know? No. I think we need to change pa this. See? No need to adjust. Ang ganda, guys. It's so cute. Thank you, Kitty Pie. I have you watch again. From Tommy Hilfiger. Yes, that's it. Thank you for purchasing. So, guys, hindi to naka-sale. Yes, the same price pa din siya. Yes. And of course, we have here pa guys the this is our cover for our foods. Ah! Oh my God! It's destroyed. Yes. Hala? Where's the Kitty Pie? What's this? Yeah, I like this one for covering. Yes. And of course, what is the next? Here. I think this is for Kitty Pie. I have pa Kitty Pie, my perfume, right? Yeah, I think this is the perfume. Calvin Klein. No, this is your Oculus have your Oculus 3. Oculus Quest 3, yeah. Maybe this is the Oculus Quest 3, right? Then where's the other? Why do it first? Do you have a different box? So maybe my perfume also is there. Maybe this is the perfume, guys. We also order perfume, guys. No, this is my shampoo. And what's this? Cream silk. Yeah. See, my shampoo and cream silk. The herbal essence. Where's my perfume? Maybe my perfume is the next one. Huh? No more carton? Yeah. So, let's check it out, guys, after now. Oh my God, it's a big box. Kitty Pie from Amazon. What's that inside? Huh? You're the one who unboxing na. So, for today's video, si Kitty Pie na ang mag-continue mag-unboxing. At ako'y pagod-pagod na talaga. Oh my God! This is for my boxing! And your Oculus and my perfume! Look at my perfume! Oh my God! You see? Oculus Quest 3! See guys, this is it. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Where I need to put this one, Kitty Pie? We need to assemble this one, Kitty Pie. Oh my God, good luck for me. We need to put this one in. So, ito na yung Oculus Quest 3 pala namin, guys. Ayan. Hindi ko na napapakita sa inyo paano ina-unbox kasi si Kitty Pie very excited. Ayan, ito yun. Medyo maliit siya, guys, kaysa Oculus Quest 2. Yeah, medyo maliit siya. At ito, guys, ito yung diferensya. Ganito. Mayroong ganito ang Quest 3. Ang Quest 2 walang ganito. Tsaka maliit siya. Hindi katulad sa isa na malaki. Yan, excited na kasi siyang gamitin eh. Kaya hindi ko na nakikita. It's updating. Yes. So, this is it, guys. Yan. Na-order din namin to sa Amazon. Yes, see? Grabe ang liit. Kasi yung Oculus Quest namin, padala ko to sa anak ko na punso. Yes. Yes, I'm a fresh boss. See? He's enjoying playing this one. Oh, yeah. So, ito na yung ano namin, guys. Last order sa Amazon. Dumating na din ko na ano ba? Laki, diba? Hulaan nyo kung ano to. What's this name, Kitty Pie? Treadmill. I got my new treadmill. So, ito yung ano namin, guys. Yung boxing. Boxing kit. Na ano ko na to kagabi. Yes, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Grabe ang pawis ko. Yeah, diba? So, no need na akong lumabas dahil ang init talaga sa labas. Dito na namin yan ilagay sa room namin. Gawin na namin tong gym yung room namin. Anyway, meron din akong electric skipping rope. Yes. That's an electric, Kitty Pie, right? It's an electric? Or digital? Sorry guys, I don't know. It's a digital, I think. Yes. Na-order din namin yun sa Amazon. So, ito din yung ano ko. Meron akong scooter. Meron din akong bicycle. Ang problema lang, tamad talaga akong mag-exercise, guys. Yala. So, let's do unboxing for this our new treadmill. So, ito po ang unboxing. So, bigyan na. Actually, matagal na namin ito gusto. Ngayon na kami nakapagluwag-luwag at nakabili ng ganito treadmill. Pero matagal na itong plano ni Kitty Pie. This is it. Our new treadmill. Wow! So, ayan na guys. Ready to plug in para magamit na namin. Actually, kagabi nagamit ko na to guys. Ang sarap ng feelings. Grabe, ang sarap ng tulog. Sa ano ko, sa boxing equipment ko. O, diba? Lahat ng kamay ko ngayon pagod na pagod. Ito, itatry namin itong ano. Treadmill. So, ito na guys. Itatry na ako mag-shoes. I'm so tired to do this with them. Then, so that's all for today's video guys. Grabe ang pawis ko doon sa treadmill namin. Oo, sana tuloy-tuloy na tong exercise. Sana hindi lang 1 week. Anyway, para talaga yung yung sa akin lang talaga yung boxer seat. Yes. Pero ginagamit ko na lang din. Yeah, kasi nanginayang din ako eh. Kasi kilala ko talaga ang sarili ko. Isasabi ko na gagamit lang ako pag bago pa. Tapos ayun, magsasawa na din ako. Medyo may kamahalan ang treadmill. Kaya sabi ko kay Kitty Pie, make sure na everyday mo talaga yung gagamitin. Ayan, sana tuloy-tuloy din yung ano niya. Nakaano kami ngayon guys ng tag 30 minutes for the treadmill. Tsaka yung boxer. O diba? Yan, nandyan ako na nilagay yung ano namin. Itong treadmill. Yan, dyan. Tapos itabi ko na. Ito yung ano ko din guys. O, twist. Waist twist noodles. Yan. Okay. Nabili ko din to sa Temu. And then, ito yung boxer set ko. Yes. Malaki naman din kasing space namin, guys. Lalo na pag winter. Pwede ako doon sa terrace namin. Anyway, pwede naman din ako doon sa terrace eh. Kaso masisira tong treadmill ngayon. Gawa ng summer. Grabe ang init talaga sa labas. Pero pag winter, pwede kami doon. Tapos maglagay na lang din kami ng medyo cover. Yes, so that's all for today's video at sana na-enjoy kayo sa aming unboxing haul of Amazon. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone from the Yan Studio.